Morning everyone and happy Monday. Today it's a gloomy weather in Charlotte. It's going to rain most of the week. I think today also it's going to rain till 1 o'clock, so it's little darker than usual. I am a girl who likes to take my videos and pictures in sunlight, so today it will be little darker than usual, but I'm going to go ahead with it. As you know, Mondays are my first impressions, so today I picked the posh pastel Lipson's collection for today's video. It comes with two Lipson's colors, one gloss and one oops remover. When you buy as a collection, you get this beautiful lilac bag free. You can see how big it is, and the quality of the leather is so nice. And you get the oops remover free when you buy as a collection. So it came with pastel pink, which is the Lipson's color, it and peach chiffon. So these are the two Lipson's colors that came with the collection. It's one is like a very pastel pink and one is like a peachish pink, and it came with the pink matte glass. I tried the matte glass alone for few times. It is completely different formula from whatever we have already. We do have a plain white matte glass, like how the clear glossy glass is there. The same way you get a clear matte glass, but this pink matte glass is so different from that. Like, I mean, the formula is really different when compared to that. So I'm going to start doing the first impression of matte glass first, as is without any lip color. Then I will do the Lipson's colors with glossy first, and then I will show and I will top the pink matte on top of both the colors. So let's go ahead. There are tons to cover and I have a few more announcements at the end. So this is pink matte glass without any lip color. So this is pink matte as it is without any color. I mean any Lipson's color. You can see the formula is really thick when compared to the normal any other gloss, like whether any pigmented gloss, glossy or matte or anything. This is more like, I felt like a lip balm in a bottle. That is how it felt. It is so smooth, you don't even feel like you are wearing something. It is literally melts in your mouth, but I mean in your lips, but it is gives such a light pastel tint to your lip. That is how it feels. A swatch here for you to see. It's, you can see it's very light pink. This is perfect for the day. You just need like a lip balm and you don't need a lot of Lipson's colors. So I'm going to take the picture and remove it and come back. So I have removed the pink matte glass. Now I'm going to go ahead with the pastel pink. Obviously it's going to be really light because the when the color says sheer, that means the formula is going to be really thin. I think if you have tried crystal mauve, you will know what I'm talking about. Those colors will go very light, and being this color again what is it, like a pastel shade, it's going to be super light. And for this is for people who like so light shades and not do not like a bold shade like Kiss for a Cause or something. So let me go ahead and do pastel pink and seal it with glossy and show you first. So this is pastel pink on me with glossy gloss. You can see the color is like a barely there color. When I say sheer colors, you can do 4 layers too, because the formula will be really thin. So that gives you an option for going even to 4 layers if you want the color to show up more. And the same way you can use these colors as a base layer for before any shades, because since the formula is so thin, it will just create a clean canvas for your lips to go carry any other color. The previous color, I would compare this with this Sugar Plum. Sugar Plum is a limited edition that was sold out company wide. There is no more, you can buy this color, but that used to be one of my favorite to top any of the darker lip shades or any of the matte colors if I need some glitter, because Sugar Plum is like a it has a little bit of glitter to it, whereas this is like a matte color. So that is the closest I would say, because when you compare with Goddess or Love It is completely in a different color group. There isn't any color that is closer to this one. So this is pastel pink on me. Let me take a picture of this and also top it with pink matte. So let me add pink matte on top of this. So if you're someone who doesn't like glossy look, then this is pastel pink with pink matte gloss on it. Pink matte, you can top it with pretty much any lip color to make it into a matte shade. That is the difference of using a matte gloss on top of the Lipson's colors. Even that's how the normal clear matte glass would look. So if the color has even a frost or even a shimmer, you can just top it with a matte gloss. That's why the color will change completely into a matte color. I always prefer or tell my customers to do glossy first, seal the color, just give it to 1 or 2 minutes. You can even rub it afterwards and just then apply the matte glass. That way you will have the moisturization from the glossy, and the same time you will have the glossy look, the matte look from the plain matte glass or the pink matte gloss. So I have removed the pastel pink and pink matte glass, and I'm going to do the peach chiffon next. So as I said, this is more pinkish, whereas this is more of a pinkish, peachish pink. So let me do the 3 layers with seal it with glossy and show you how it looks on me. So this is a peach chiffon on me with glossy glass. This color obviously shows a little bit more than the pastel pink. Finding a peachish shade that looks good on you is really tough. There are many others to compare, but you can see this is the lightest of all. The closer one is True Love, and then we did have Peach Perfect, but that is more of an orange tint, whereas this has like a pinkish tint to it. So for summer, if you are looking for a coral, I feel this would be really perfect, because I know corals will be like too flashy sometimes, but this is like a really soft peach shade. So this looks really nice for summer too. So let's top the color with pink matte glass. So this is how it looks once you top it with pink matte. So it's going to turn the color into a matte color. Since this also has a little bit more of a peachy tone, I will say, because when you compare with the pastel pink, this is in between both the colors. So this is peach chiffon on me with pink matte gloss. So that's my first impression with the pastel Posh Pastel collection, Lipson's collection, because Posh Pastel came as a Shadow Sense collection too. So it comes with 2 colors, pastel pink and peach chiffon, and comes with a gloss pink matte gloss. When you buy as a collection, you get oops remover free, and also it comes with this beautiful lilac bag, and you can buy them separately. You can buy one of the Lipson's colors, or you can buy the gloss as it is. So you don't have to buy as a collection. Anytime when they release as a collection, you will have both the options. You can either buy the color individually or as a collection. And the announcements I wanted to make are, I think you already might have seen, there was going to be 2 sales going on. One is the spa collection, which consists of the gold mask, the hand cream, the brightening hand cream, and also the heel and elbow cream. I have videos of heel and elbow and gold mask if you want to search the group. All 3 together is going to be 125, and also it comes with the golden bag. So it's a perfect for Mother's Day gift. You can use all 3 for one person, or you can split them into 3 different people, but everyone is going to appreciate, because all 3 are really nice, treat yourself products. And the second one is obviously the perfume sale, which is 50% of them from 20th to 26th. So we have 3 different collections, 3 different varieties of the perfume, so any of them will be for 50% off. Spa collection, it's until sold out, so there isn't date as such. They have just started today, so it goes on until it's sold out company wide. So you can reach out to me if you need any of one of those, and for the winner for the giveaway, I'm going to run the random generator now, and I'll be posting that too. Weekend I was including every name and all the interactions and people who have ordered all those stuff, so it took me a while, but I have that ready. So I'm going to run the random generator, that way I can post the winner today. That's all for today's video. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon with a new content.